Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to Vasu's Veg Kitchen. If you are visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe and press bell icon for new recipe notifications. Today's recipe is one pot healthy, tasty and protein rich Kabuli chana palav. This palav will be big hit in your parties. Also we can pack it in lunchbox with simple raita. Today I served it with pomegranate raita. I will share this recipe soon. Do check ingredients. For more information about this recipe, please visit our blog. I shared link in above icon and in description box. Wash and soak Kabuli chana in enough water for 8 hours or overnight. Wash basmati rice twice and soak it in enough water for 30 minutes. Using basmati rice gives good aroma and taste to palav. You can also use normal rice. Take soaked Kabuli chana dal in a pressure cooker. To this add 1 cup of water, half teaspoon of salt and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. This gives good aroma to Kabuli chana. Pressure cook it for 5 whistles on medium flame. Meanwhile, prepare ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Adding green chilli gives good taste. You can also increase the quantity of green chilli and you can also skip adding garlic. Do not remove pressure cooker lid immediately. Let the pressure comes down. See, our Kabuli chana cooked perfectly. Check it by pressing few Kabuli chana with your fingers like this. If it is still hard, pressure cook it for 2 more whistles. Soak saffron threads in 2 teaspoons of hot water and keep it aside. Now heat wide pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of ghee and 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Let it heat for few seconds. Now fry cashew nuts on low flames till it changes color and take it into cup. Adding cashew nuts after preparing palav will give good crunchy taste. Adding saffron is also optional but it gives good aroma to palav. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry it for few seconds. If you want to check this recipe with step-by-step pics and tips, please visit our blogspot. Later, add remaining all spices and fry it on low flames till you get nice aroma. Now add green chilies and fry it well for few seconds. You can also skip adding green chilies if you are serving for kids. Now add roughly chopped onions. Fry it on low flames till it changes color by adding pinch of salt. Kabuli chana provides sufficient amount of proteins with low calories and also it provides good protein source for vegetarians. Now add a prepared ginger, garlic and green chilli paste in it. Mix it well on low flames. You can skip adding garlic and green chilli. Instead of ginger paste, you can chop it finely and add it. Now add a roughly chopped tomatoes in it. Fry it well on low to medium flames for few seconds. Later, close the lid and cook till tomatoes become mushy. Now open the lid and mix everything well for once. Make sure that tomato cooked well. Now add a required amount of salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder and garam masala powder. Mix everything well on low flames. Adjust the spices according to your taste. Do remember that we already added salt while boiling Kabuli chana and while frying onions. And also we added green chilli paste and green chilies. So add salt and red chilli according to your taste. Now add boiled Kabuli chana in it. Fry it well on low to medium flames for few minutes so that Kabuli chana will absorb the spices. Make sure that Kabuli chana boiled well. Main taste of this pulao depends on Kabuli chana and the spices we added in it. So do not forget to soak Kabuli chana in enough water for 8 to 9 hours or overnight so that we will get good taste to pulao. Now add soaked basmati rice in it. Mix everything well for once without breaking basmati rice. As I am using 1.5 cup of basmati rice, here I am adding 2 cups of water and 0.75 cup of Kabuli chana cooked water. Totally 2.75 cups of water. Make sure to soak basmati rice for 20 to 30 minutes in enough water. If you want, you can also add 1 cup of mixed vegetables like carrot, beans and potatoes to make it more healthy. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in it and mix everything well without breaking rice. By adding lemon juice, you will get non-sticky and fluffy rice. Cook rice on medium flame till you get bubbles on water. Once you get bubbles on water, close the lid and cook it on low flames till rice becomes soft and fluffy. If you are using pressure cooker, then pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Do not remove the lid immediately. Let the pressure comes down normally, then remove it. Now open the lid. See our pulao cooked perfectly. Switch off the flames and salt everything well for once. Now add soaked saffron threads, 1 teaspoon of ghee, finely chopped mint and coriander leaves, and fried cashew nuts. Now close the lid and set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare any raita of your choice. Today I prepared nutty and tasty pomegranate raita. We'll share this recipe soon. After 10 minutes, open the lid. You can see the fluffy and non-sticky pulao. Can you see the difference when you cooked and after it is set? Surely you will observe the difference. Now salt everything well. That's it. Super delicious, healthy, tasty, protein rich and aromatic Kabuli chana pulao with pomegranate raita is ready to serve. Serve hot and enjoy with your friends and family. Hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and also follow us on social media too. Thank you.